Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancers. For your daily energies, career situation and relationship Cancers, we'll be picking few cards guys. So first for your daily energies Cancers. So these are the cards. For your relationship and career situation guys, we'll be picking more cards. So for your relationship first, these are the cards. And for your career situation, we'll be picking more cards. I hope this reading resonates, guys. Cancers, if it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. If you want a more detailed reading for your situation, guys, you have to watch this career situation and your relationship card, so that will be more specific to your relationship. So let's see what are these cards first. Two of Earth, Moon, and Queen of Air. So with these cards in your situation, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So whatever efforts or whatever uh, however you are working, or however whatever dreams that you're having for yourself, for your career or personal life situation, not all that is going to come true, guys. You have to think about your present situation. You have to think about how things will unfold for you, and your present situation is not always true. So it may be some kind of illusion today. So opportunities are coming towards you, but they are still in shadows. You are not seeing it clearly right now. So you have to wait for the right time, wait for your chance, guys. And you are making great efforts in your life, in your career or personal life. You are trying to adapt in your situation, being really flexible, and you have that a clear way of seeing things, clarity. That may be the reason that you're holding back, waiting before you make some important choices today, Cancers. So your intentions are what is helping you to focus today, plan the strategy in your life, and you are trying to be really honest with what you truly feel. So, what is right for you based on that honesty in your heart? It may be something to do in your career or personal life. So, you are making that decisions based on honesty, what you have in your heart. So, your dreams are going to manifest, guys, but you have to be really flexible today, Cancers. Wait, be flexible, wait for the right time for things to align in your life. So that is what I see with these cards. Cancers, for your daily energy. Let us see what are these cards for our relationship. 10 of water, page of fire, and hierophant. So with these cards in your situation, Cancers, in your life today, you are really happy because you are having a good time with this person. You are in that adventurous mode. You have that happiness, harmony, and balance in this relationship, and you are simply. And Cancers, I also see that in this relationship with this person, you have a freshness. You are seeing that freshness. Maybe if you are in a new relationship, you will see that freshness, vibrancy, and romance with this person, or if you are already with that person for a long time, you still have some changes in you and that person, way this relationship is going, that freshness and beauty is there in this connection, and you have enthusiasm and you are in that adventurous mode today, guys. So happiness is what I see for y'all, guys, cancers, with these cards. And maybe for some of you, if you take up some kind of practice, maybe meditation or some kind of prayers, it is going to work miracles for you, guys. It will unleash a greater potential for you in work. The same way, peace and balance, harmony in your personal life. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship, cancers. So let us see what are the cards. And one more thing, guys, with this connection with this person, you are moving towards marriage, or you are planning to get engaged. You have that sense of belonging with this person, and you feel that they are meant to be for you and you are meant to be for them. So this love is a very positive thing, guys. For you, it is working in a very positive way for you. So that is what I see with these cards, cancers, for your relationship, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation. Hermit, Ace of Fire, and Hangman. Cancers, with these cards, I see that you have faced lots of trials, stressful situations. You have sacrificed a lot for this connection. And when certain things are not going according to your expectation, when certain things are delayed or getting suspended, you need to understand that it is for the best that these things are going in such a way. So you just have to um, take time to wait for things to unfold beautifully, guys. Maybe right now you should not make any important decisions today. So you have to wait, because these are the times of changes in your career situation. Time to dream, time to um, plan your future, your goals. So this is the time for great transformation, pushing you towards that greater potential in life, guys. But not action. You have to think what should be that right action before making that important decisions, guys. So this is the time that is necessary for that growth, time for that renewal, and time to have that clear perception, guys, in your career situation. So that is what I see with these cards, cancers, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.